it. I can't let it stay here. Wait, I mean, like, how am I waiting? Like, spell. Yes, it's probably gonna take a bit. So what? Guess I'll wait here then. Probably gonna take a bit. No one is like today to call Lucelia back up. I guess I gotta drink. I am really thirsty anyway. Oh! Huh? What the fuck? Find the fire exit. The fuck? Hello? Lucelia? What is this place? Lucelia? Are you here? Lucifer? I could even go for Nicola at this point. Lucelia! Lucifer! I don't even know Lucelia. I don't even know, like, if Lucifer could probably be here. Lucelia? Hello? Anyone? It's so quiet. Look. Yeah, no. Oh, jeez. Thankfully, I always have my knife here. Always have it everywhere I go. Oh. Hey, that's the fire exit. What? Entering. In the lobby? Huh? The lobby? What lobby? Oh. Vending machines. These not work? That's bullshit. Lucelia! You here? Whoa! What the hell? What in the world? What is this? Yeah. Lucelia can never go there. No. She... Before trying to, no. She doesn't like stuff like that. No. Lucelia? Where am I supposed to go here? Oh, what the hell? What is this place? That was somehow bathing. Lucelia? Are you down here? She was. I don't know. Guess some of these doors don't unlock. Jeez. Whoa. Okay. Lucelia! Luce! What the fuck? What happened here? Jeez. What happened? Lucelia? I do know Lucelia does not really like places like this. She really was here. Lucelia? If you're down here, at least say something! Like a cry for help or something! Anything! Wherever you are, I'm coming to get you! Jeez. What the hell? Huh? Uh-oh. Phew. Find a key card. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me! There we go. I swear. Okay, what is this? Keep it together. Lucelia! You in here? I only have this as a weapon, so I don't know if there's any other. That's it in there. Jesus Christ. Okay. Lucelia! Can you at least say something? Anything? Please? What the hell? What is this? We're here to protect you. I doubt that. I doubt there's anyone in here. No one's in here. Nobody's in there. Not even Lucelia. I want to find her. I just hope she's not, like, trapped anywhere. Celia! Please, say something! Anything? Hello? It's like some never-ending maze or something. Where are you, my moth? I don't even know where I am. This is not like home at all. It's different. I actually really hope Lucilia's not even here. This place is probably not safe. Really, not safe at all, really. I don't trust it at all. What the hell? What's this? Find me. What? Great, am I supposed to find another smile? Am I supposed to find another smiley face around here? Great. Where on earth am I supposed to find a smiley face at, bruh? Come on. I don't have time to look for all these other random shenanigans. Back at spawn, of course. I really just want to go home. Just stay with Lucelia. Or, I don't even know if Lucilia's even, like, trapped here. I wouldn't even be surprised if Lucifer and Nicole even found themselves down here. Hello? Okay, what the fuck? I just went in a... I think this place is driving me insane. I'm basically tempted to cut something right now. Since I still have this knife with me, I always do. Why would the... Okay, now, how would this smiley face be in there now? This is gonna be harder than I thought. Probably, maybe, I don't know for sure. Jesus Christ. Come on now. Am I supposed to find this? I think I'm just going around in circles at this point. At this point, I'm about to lose my freaking mind. Like, I'm seeing the same places every time I go around here. Jeez. Where am I? Maybe there's something in there, I guess. I just had to stab something because I was gonna lose my mind. Where is it at? This is a bit more harder than I thought. Wait, what am I saying? It's always been like hard. Or whatnot. I just went into a big loop. Come on. Wow, there it is. Huh? What is this? Hello? That's a weird way to put music. Why is a cake? Why is there a couple chairs standing there? Okay, this is weird. But too weird. Why is there just a couple chairs like in here out of everything? Oh. What? Huh? Okay, You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Are you serious? I had to go through a freaking like yellow room with the pipe room. Go through a freaking parking room, and now this, and then I had to go in there. What? I can't swim for shit. What the fuck?